now down nearly 400 points as we speak. 24,771 is where the Nifty is currently trading, and we have Nifty Bank for you that is also below that important psychological mark of 60,000. But as far as individual stocks and sectors are concerned, a whole host of sectors are buzzing based on their exposure to West Asia. But first up, let's talk about the biggest losers from the Nifty 50 pack. And we have something like Adani Ports, which is down 4%. Maruti Suzuki and Jio Financial Services are also declining in excess of 3% in trade today. Consumer durable stocks are under pressure today. In fact, Nifty Consumer Durable Index is the biggest sectoral loser in trade today. We have PG Electroplast down 2.5%, Bata is down 3.5%, and that's Havells for you. That stock is also declining and is under pressure today. L&T, that's the stock that we should put on our radar this afternoon. That stock is down 5.5% because analysts believe that the company generates nearly 40% of its revenue from the Middle East. So that's the kind of exposure the company has to Middle East, and that is the reason the stock is declining in trade today. And we'll of course have a management and the analyst of the stock to discuss about this in greater detail. Rice stocks too are under pressure. We have KRBL and LT Foods, both of them declining anywhere between 3.5% to 5% in trade because of their exposure to Middle East. Both of them export both basmati as well as non-basmati rice to all of those Gulf countries, and that is the reason both these stocks are under pressure today. Let's also talk about crude derivatives and the stocks and the companies that consume crude as their raw material. Aviation companies, the likes of Interglobe Aviation, that one is down 5%. The entire sector is under focus today. Asian Paints down 3%. In fact, not just Asian Paints, something like Indigo, Berger, Shalimar, all of them are declining in trade today. And tire companies, the likes of JK Tire and Apollo Tire, are also down anywhere between 2 to 3% because of their exposure to crude. Defense stocks, meanwhile, on the flip side, though, are gaining in trade today. HAL up 0.6%. BEL and Bharat Dynamics are also gaining and sentimental positive on account of escalating geopolitical tensions. So yes, a whole host of buzzers from the broader markets and a whole host of countries, because of their exposure to West Asia, are in focus today.
All right.
Well, with that, we need to slip into a very short break, but more news and updates will continue on the other side.